Sir, please.
Ini jeng Maharajani Wansongmung, ini jeng Yapre Khwlaikha, Khumulwngo, ini North East Small Finance Bank, ini branch opening Khwlaikha, Mahike Chara Triprawa Ata branch Khwlaikha North East Small Finance Bank, sini Ttaadc by MU signing Khwlaikha, sini Tiprasa Lukurongno jeng banking service ni bisite bekarongno jeng loan lonani bagoi jeng process khlainai sakhanai piyaba tabok jeng kahangke saime ko sebab besuk manai besuk jana no roi manai omo tabok khana jeng khaime ko ani ke jeng maximum lukurongno jeng benefit khainai ni bagoi jeng yapre khwlaijak jeni bobagrani bisite khainai salo jeng bank ni bisite besuk benefit ma abo jeng department wise loan ni byabostha besuk Thinang hamkrai ni chung chaluk khainai hai ni chung agreement khalaijak Thinang hamkrai ni bisingti ARDD fisheries agriculture sector ro chung jara loan nawai sak bai thangya pri karak na ni bagai economically strong na ni bagai sak thanai ro no chung chubanai ARDD department ni hoite phainai fisheries department ni hoite phainai jara fisheries chas khaiwi sak bai thangni rang kucha rang bitino krak khaine ni wansok khainke fisheries department ni bisingti rimani bisingti phaimanai pon walk talk rimani bisingti sak bai thangno rang biti mosbut khaine krak khaine khainke ARDD department chi phainai dei buchini Triprawa chung jotno saiman agriculture development ngya hangke chini economic development ngya hani bangai agriculture sector nang mai kuthung khaine ni hoite suru khai bagan khaine ni Hai loan nana ni bagai ge jeng system khai tongo local ni rupuro o am chai ni lupuro temano samung khaiwi rang ajiwi manai omono basic idea nawi ni jeng MU signing khaikha tani ge jeng juda bank ro thang khaike je boroni system bai bomahai no loan ma bono naiwi si ma khai chini orong ge jeng system khaikha North East Finance Bank by jeng system khaikha chini Maharaja system khaikha nung nini am saibo nung bomono nawi nung rang pucha ajai manai obo Tiprasa lukurok si one shot di ang omong bai si ani area wo bebosa khaiwi rang pucha ajai manai boni bagai ang rang nango khaike bono nahawi project sinadi je binoro nini dupkathi sulas nawi binoro bebosa khaiman aro jaga dupkathi khaine je jaga nung moi kuthung khai kokia kai si nung
I really appreciate that Tripura Tribal Area Development Council has given us this opportunity to have an MOU with them to open branches in the interior areas. And for opening of accounts, you can have all the accounts here like all other banks, all other commercial banks. Though this is named a small finance bank, not a small finance bank, it is actually a regular sort of scheduled commercial bank with a mandate to do financial inclusion, for which the name is small finance. That we have to give finances up to 25 lakhs maximum to the people, for which the license is as named as small finance bank. Otherwise, you will get all the benefits here of our regular scheduled commercial bank. You can open a basic savings account without paying any money by simply giving your KYC papers, that your identification proof as well as your address proof. These are two essential documents you have to hand over. You can open business accounts with as minimum as only 5,000 rupees, where in other banks you have to give minimum 10,000 rupees. And you can apply and avail small loans for all livelihood generation activities, for agriculture, for weaving, for handicraft, for any livelihood generation activity, for piggery, for goatery, for fishery, for anything you can avail the loan from here. And Tripura Development Council has very kindly agreed to give interest subvention to these fresh borrowers also under the district council area. So that also people should avail that benefit And all other, even commercial vehicle loans also you can apply. You can apply for any other loans. That's what is the case. And we'll be happy to serve you here with all sincerity. This is the first branch, and we are opening another 8 branches in the Tripura Development Council area. Yeah, in the Ttaadc area. So we'll be opening another 8 branches. The next branch will be Khwlaikha and in Khwai. These 2 branches will be opened.
Thank you.
So